Welcome to our lovely program. Welcome to the returning. The best program you can find on YouTube now. Good morning to you all from Zion. And as you can hear, yes, the cocks. Well, good morning to everybody. Welcome to our lovely program, the best hot channel on YouTube now, Returnee. And as we are saying, you can hear from the cock, Poproko, meaning good morning to all. Today, we are going to look on very great man who have actually ruled this country, and no one else. We are today to talk about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Our channel is giving you a good morning, as you can hear from the car. Hello, yes, welcome to our lovely channel, the Returnees channel. Today, what you can see here, we are here at the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. We are to tell you about the great leader who have ruled this country before. Here is the Kwame Nkrumah Museum, and we are going to take a little education about the man himself. Welcome to our lovely channel, the Returnee channel. And as I've been telling you, you always have to forget the rest and join the best. Today we are here to talk about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and here is Kwame Nkrumah Memorial, Kwame Nkrumah Museum. As you can see for yourself clearly, the museum is empty due to the COVID-19. Today we are here at the Kwame Nkrumah Museum to learn a little about our great legend, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. As you can see, this is our great legend, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And here we are at the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. For me to get started, I can say welcome to our lovely channel, the Returnees channel, the best channel you can find on YouTube now, the hottest channel. My name is Alfred Kojo Mensah, aka 247, and as in promising you, we have lovely activities for you. Today at the Kwame Nkrumah Museum, we are to learn a little about the great legend. Yes, we are here at the Kwame Nkrumah Museum, and as I've been telling you, our returnee program, we always have the hottest program for you. Our channel is ready to give you hot programs. Today we are talking about the great leader who have ruled Ghana before. To tell you a little about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, Kwame Nkrumah PC was born 21st September 1909, and he passed away on 27th of April 1972. Kwame Nkrumah was a Ghanaian politician and revolutionary. He is a very serious leader, a politician, and also a revolutionary. He was the first Prime Minister and President of Ghana, having led the Gold Coast to independence from Britain in 1957, an influential advocate of pan-Africanism. Nkrumah was a founding member of the Organization of African Unity and winner of the Lenin Peace Prize in 1962. Yes, we are here to enlighten you a little about the great man, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Here is the statue of the great man. Yes, and here is the museum, the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. But the museum has been locked. The museum has been locked because of the COVID-19 virus. So after, when the virus is over, we come into the museum to give to you a serious enlightenment about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. And here's Dr. Kwame. This is the entrance to the Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Museum, but the museum has been locked. Now I'm taking you into where Dr. Kwame Nkrumah has been laid to rest, and also the wife as well. That's Fatia Nkrumah. So we are heading towards into the resting room of the great His administration was both nationalist and socialist. It funded national industrial and energy projects, developed a strong national education system, and promote a national and pan-African culture. Under Nkrumah, Ghana played a leading role in African international relations during the decolonization period. In 1964, a constitution amended made Ghanaian one-party state, with Nkrumah as president for life of both the nation and its party. Nkrumah was disposed in 1966 by the National Liberation Council, which under the supervision of international financial institutions privatized many of the country-state corporations. Nkrumah lived the rest of his life in Guinea, of which he was named honorary co-president. Early life and education: Gold Coast, United States, London. Returned to the Gold Coast, United Gold Coast Convention People Party. Leader of government, business, and prime minister. So, our returning, I've tell you a little about this great prophet. Yes. But the great Messiah Marcus Garvey, the founder of the Brass Star Line, and he actually motivated Kwame Nkrumah as he became very great man. He actually had enough inspiration from Marcus Garvey, because Marcus Garvey believed in emancipation. As so as Nkrumah read a lot of books from Messiah Marcus Garvey, and that empowered him to rule this country with such righteousness rule. Nkrumah also was the brain behind the Organization of African Unity. In that matter, is one of the great leaders we have found in Ghana and in Africa as whole. I want you to love our channel. I want you to share and subscribe. Our returning program always gets you the best. Love you all. And I'll still continue to give you more education. Yes, as I've been telling you, you tune into our hottest and lovely channel, the Returnees channel. And today we had a little education from the Kwame Nkrumah Museum. Well, I think you can see the museum is totally empty because of the COVID-19. But I think very soon it will be over. The museum will reopen and we'll come here to have interaction with the caretakers, the administration, also those who come to visit the museum. All what I need from you is to love our channel, share and subscribe. And returnees, we always have the best for you. One thing, and the main reason why we came here into the Kwame Nkrumah Museum is that Nkrumah was actually influenced, or he was actually motivated by the great prophet Messiah Marcus Garvey. And Marcus Garvey believed in the Black Star Line. So as he educated Kwame Nkrumah more, Nkrumah read a lot about Marcus Garvey, and that made him a great pan-Africanist. Nkrumah was a leading member of the Organization of African Unity, OAU, inside with Imperial Majesty Selassie. Such a great hero lay here.